Hey guys, how's it going? How to make professional AI avatar using HitPaw Edimakor. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do, go ahead to your browser and just type HitPaw AI avatar for free. Okay, now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click best AI avatar, right? And here you're gonna be able to see AI video to generate AI avatars for business, training, content creation. If you want to see an example, you can see it from here by playing this video, right? So you can see the video from here, and AI voice and expressions clone for ultimate restoration, suitable for various applications such as e-commerce, learning, and social media videos. You can play this video on your own time. You can see right here, right? If you click this video, you're gonna be able to see the AI avatar, right? And if you want to generate and you want to start your journey, go ahead and click generate now. And of course, you need to enter your name, email, duration, language, application, what's the video used for, and when do you expect to get the delivery, and the requirements. If you have extra requirements for this avatar, whatever niche you are in, go ahead and add it, and then hit submit, and they will contact you within 1 to 3 business days through your email. Okay, and then you're gonna of course provide more details, and they will create your own avatar. So as you can see right here, this is an example of a person who created his own AI avatar. And if you want to know more about how they create their avatar in voice, go ahead, and you want to create your own avatar in voice, just go ahead and again do the same thing as we mentioned above. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.